ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ఈ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియాలో నిలబడి ఇక్కడ అరేబియన్ చూడొచ్చు, ఇన్ బే ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్ చూడొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఇండియన్ ఓషన్ చూడొచ్చు. దిస్ ప్లేస్, ద ప్లేస్ వేర్ నియర్ ద సీ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ కోస్ట్. దీన్ని కోస్ట్ అంటారు. Let us know about this coastals. India's coastline stretches along the southern plateau. India's coastline. మనకి ఇండియా కోస్ట్ లైన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సదర్న్ ప్లాట్యూ అతుక్కొని ఉంది. సదర్న్ ప్లాట్యూ along with this coastal plains. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి ఇదేమో ఇక్కడ వరకు సదర్న్ ప్లాట్యూ. This rest of the place is coastal plains. Coastline stretches from along with the southern plateaus. Along with the southern plateau. Southern plateau కడుగు భాగంలోనే దాని చుట్టూతా along with southern plateau. The southern plateau is bordered by narrow coastal plains on both west and east. The southern plateau bordered by south of the southern plateau bordered by the narrow sannadi ఈ coastal plains border అయ్యి ఉన్నాయి southern plateau on west side and the east side of the southern plateau. Southern plateau is bordered by narrow coastal plains on both the west and the east. These plains in turn are bordered by the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. And these plains, these are the surrounded by west side. This is the west, this is the east. West side Arabian Sea. West side these are Arabian Sea, and here it is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. These are surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west side and the Bay of Bengal on the east side. These plains are covered by the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal on the west and east side. The length of the coastal plains is about 6,100 kilometers and the width varies 50 kilometers to south to 250 kilometers. What is the length? Enta padavuna ikkada nundi idu west side lo at the end of the Gujarat akkada nundi manaki ikkada varaku undi kabatti దీని యొక్క లెంత్ 6,100 కిలోమీటర్స్ లాంగ్ పొడవు. ఈ పెన్ను యొక్క పొడవు ఎంత ఉంది? అలా ఇట్ ఈస్ 10 సెంటీమీటర్స్ మేబీ. ఓకేనా? అలాగే దీని యొక్క లెంత్ ఫ్రమ్ గుజరాత్ టు ఈస్ట్ సైడ్ లా ఇక్కడ వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్ వరకు ఉంది కాబట్టి దీని యొక్క పొడవు 6,100 కిలోమీటర్. కిలోమీటర్ ఎంత పొడవు ఉంటుందమ్మా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ బోర్డ్ ఈస్ 1.5 మీటర్. 100 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay? 100 meters. ఇది 1.5 meter ఉంటుంది బోర్డ్. The length of this board, here it is 100 centimeters, here it is 50 centimeters. 150 centimeters అంటే 1.5 meter. 100 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. ఇలా దీని యొక్క లెంత్ 6,100 కిలోమీటర్ పొడవు. వెడల్పు ఒక దగ్గర సన్నగా ఉంది 50 meters to 250 meters width. విడ్త్ అంటే ఒక దగ్గర వెడల్పు ఉంది, ఒక దగ్గర బక్కగా సన్నగా ఉంది. narrow and wide. It is 50, not less than 50, not more than 250 kilometers. Okay? The width varies kilometers. Okay. And in the east, the coastal plains are divided into the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The coastal plains has been divided into two parts. West side are called western coastal plains. East side are called eastern coastal plains. These are the two coastal plains are there for our India. Western coastal plains and the eastern coastal. First let us know about the west side, western coastal plains. Western coastal plains begin from the, look at in the picture amma, look at in the picture of India. here it is this white in the map, this white color, most of we are seeing in this map white color. This white color indicates in this map plateau, southern plateau. The rest of this southern plateau, light orange is seeing, no? This is the coastal plains of India. This is the western coastal plains and it is eastern coastal plains. In some places it is very narrow. In some places it is very wide. It means 50 kilometers, 250 kilometers. The length from Gujarat nundi ikkada varaku 6,100 kilometers. Length of these coastal plains. And the width అంటే వెడల్పు ఒక్కో ప్లేస్ లో 50 kilometers సన్నగా ఉంది, ఒక్కో దగ్గర 250 kilometers. Now let us know about this side, west side of India, western coastal plains. And this western coastal plains has started from in the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. It is from the Gujarat. The western coastal plain begin from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. ఇక్కడమ్మా ఇదో ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుందా, ఇదో గల్ఫ్ ఆఫ్ కచ్ ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, గుజరాత్ నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. మనకి ఇక్కడ గుజరాత్ నుండి ఇదో ఇక్కడ గుజరాత్ లో నుండి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది వెస్టర్న్ కోస్టల్ ప్లెయిన్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ ఇస్ రాజస్థాన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ద వెస్టర్న్ కోస్టల్ ప్లెయిన్స్. ఓకే, రన్ ఆఫ్ కచ్ ఇన్ గుజరాత్ అండ్ మూవ్ సౌత్వర్డ్స్ అంటే ఈ వెస్ట్ సైడ్ లో నుండి, సౌత్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు కానీ అడుగు భాగంలో, ఇటు మూవ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ సౌత్వర్డ్స్ అడుగు భాగంలోకి వస్తుంది. బార్డర్డ్ సౌత్వర్డ్స్ అలాంగ్ ద వెస్టర్న్ బార్డర్స్ ఆఫ్ మహారాష్ట్ర. ఈ మధ్యలో ఇక్కడ సౌత్ గుజరాత్ నుండి ఇక్కడ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా కన్యాకుమారి, ఈ మధ్యలో సో మెనీ స్టేట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. West side, the western coastal plains extended from Gujarat to Kanyakumari. In this middle of these states, so many states are there. Those are Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Here it is the end point, Kanyakumari. Okay. The western coastal plains begin from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat and move southwards along the western borders of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay children, and to Kanyakumari. Here it is Kanyakumari, the end point Kanyakumari. The western coastal plains Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala to Kanyakumari. Okay, this it is moving from southwards from Gujarat to Kanyakumari. The southernmost tip of Indian mainland, Kanyakumari. By the western coastal plains bounded by, and this western coastal plains is bounded by Arabian Sea, the west side of India, Arabian Sea. These western coastal plains bounded by the Arabian Sea in the west side of India, and the western Ghats on the east. Western coastal plain is bounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, and the western Ghats on the east, and is broadest between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Cambot. From the Gulf of Cambot is narrows down sharply to the south. It ends in Kanyakumari in the south. The western coastal plain is divided into 3 parts. To know about perfectly, the western coastal plains has been divided into 3 parts. First one is Gujarat coast. Ikkada Gujarat variki entadi Gujarat coast. And second one ikkada Konkan coast. Konkan coast. And the third one is up to Kanyakumari, Malabar coast. And this western coastal plains has been divided into 3 parts. First one Gujarat coast, second one Konkan coast, and third part Malabar coast. Himalayas also has been divided into three parts, and the northern place has been divided into three parts. To learn to know about the deeply, okay, like that is the western coastal plains has been also divided into three parts. One is Gujarat coast, second one is Konkan coast, and third one is Malabar coast. Now the Gujarat coast. First the Gujarat coast. The Gujarat coast lies between Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Cambodge. It is quite broad in the north and gets narrowed down towards the south of India. The famous Gir forests are located here. Gujarat, here it is. Gulf of Kutch here. Gulf of Kutch. Here, Gulf of Cambodge. Gulf of Cambodge. Here, in this place, this is the Gujarat coast. It is very broad. Total, the most part of Gujarat has with coastal, western coast located. The most part of Gujarat has covered with western coast. In this Gujarat coast, the most famous Gir forest, national park, Gir National Park. Here it is very famous for lion. It is the Gir National Park is very famous for lion. It is Gujarat coast is from Gulf of Kutch to Gulf of Cambodge. It is the widest part of the western coastal plains. In this Gujarat coast, the Gir National Park is very famous, and in the Gir National Park is there. In this Gir National Park, the lion are very famous for Gir National Park. Okay, and one more is Konkan coast. Here it is the Gir National Park. Here it is the Gir National Park. The famous is very lion. Lion are very famous. And one more is, second one is Konkan coast. Second part, Konkan coast. The Konkan coast extended from Gulf of Cambodge up to Goa. Gulf of Cambodge నుండి Goa. ఇక్కడ గోవా ఉంటుంది కదా, గోవా వరకు ఉంటుంది. It is rocky and narrow, and hills go up to the seashore in many places. Hills go up to the seashore in many. Here the coast has many lighthouses to warn the ships of the hidden rocks. Mumbai is the highest commercial port in the Konkan coast. The coast is rich in oil deposits and many oil wells are found here. This Konkan coast has formed from Gulf of Cambodge to it is in the Goa. This place is Konkan coast. It is very famous for the place is hilly, rocky area. Some hills are in the seashore also. Most of the hills are in the seashore also. It is very famous for lighthouses. What is the use of lighthouse? And it is very famous in this Konkan coast. Mumbai is very rich in oil refineries. It is very famous. Mumbai is very rich in oil refineries. Mumbai is the biggest commercial port. Commercial means business. Port, what is port? Where the ships are loaded and unloaded. Where the ships, for example, మనం బస్సులు రోడ్డు పైన ఒక నిమిషానికి అవుతుంది, దాన్ని బస్ స్టాప్ అంటారు. నైట్ హాల్ట్ ఉండే ప్లేస్ ఏమంటారు? బస్ డిపో. ట్రైన్స్ ఎక్కడ రోడ్డు పైన ఉండవు. రైల్వే స్టేషన్, రైల్వే డిపో కాదు, రైల్వే స్టేషన్. వేర్ ద ఏరోప్లేన్స్ కెన్ ల్యాండ్ అండ్ టేక్ ఆఫ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ airport or aerodrome. Okay, and where the ships are loaded and unloaded, it is called a port. Where the buses can halt for a long time, it is bus depot. The trains can halt, it is a railway station. The planes can move, can take off and landing, it is airport. And where the ships are loaded and unloaded, it is a port, shipyard or port. Mumbai is very famous for commercial port. Mumbai is very famous for business port yard. Shipyard is there. Here it is port, Konkan coast. Commercial port on the Konkan coast. The coast is rich in oil deposits and many oil wells are found here. Mumbai, right? It is a oil refinery. It is in the Konkan coast we can get the oil deposits. In the seashore we can get the oil deposits on the Mumbai High. It is the oil refinery. Oil ekkano teeskochi refine cheyarama. Oil refineries it will be fixed in the sea only. Andulo nunde bhoomi adugu bhagamlo nundi తీయడానికి కొన్ని pipes ఉంటాయి. And it will be refined, it will be filtered, it will be separated, it will be different in the different parts. It will be separated in the different parts as well, fixing the oil refineries on the sea. It is Mumbai is very famous for commercial port in the Konkan coast. It is very famous for oil deposits. Okay, and it is Konkan coast is very famous as well as lighthouses. What is lighthouse? What is the use of lighthouse? In this Konkan coast, so many rocky area. Some hills are there in the sea also. It means it is what is the use of lighthouse means where the ships on the hills, a long lighthouse, a big lighthouse has been constructed and fixed a light on the height of the hills from the seabed. Why? Because it is these lighthouses built on the rocks, because it will give the alarm to ships not to come in these places, because this place has been covered with full of rock. When the ships come near to the rock, it will be spoil the ships. It is the giving warning, it is giving alarm to the ships. That is the benefit of these lighthouses. This Konkan coast is very famous for lighthouses. Lighthouse is very useful to ships not to come in this near to the lighthouse, because this lighthouse is constructed on the rocks, big rocks of water. అంటే రాక్స్ కి దగ్గరగా రాకుండా ఉండడానికి these lighthouses are giving warning to the ships not to come near to these rocks. Okay, this is very famous for lighthouses, Konkan coast.